Today, I finally got my hands on the Hollyland Lark Max 2, and let me tell you, this might be the ultimate wireless microphone for creators, vloggers, and filmmakers in 2025. Let's unbox it, test it out, and find out if really lives up the hype. So in the box, we got two transmitter TX with a built-in mics, one receiver or RX with a touchscreen, and one shield, charging case, cables, and carry pouch. The build quality, super sleek and premium, light enough for creators on the move. What makes the Lark Max 2 special? 32-bit floating recording, recover and volume issue in post, no clipping. AI noise cancellation, filters wind, traffic or indoor noise with ease. 20 millisecond latency, great for live or monitored shots. Timecode sync, your audio and video stay perfectly matched. 14-hour internal backup, even if the signal drops, you're still recording. Hover clip design, sits neatly without tugging. Nano skin, safe coating, no irritation, even for all-day shots. Let's take it out into a real world. Guys, how to connect the Hollyland Lark Max to earphone or wireless monitor. Just go to this menu, okay, channel monitoring, open the monitoring, select wireless, okay, then monitoring status, if this is on, okay, go back, volume, RAM sound, and ear connection. Let's see if this connection. If it is not connected, you can press this button, this one, until it will connect. It will green. The status will be connected. Then now you can use the wireless monitoring of, yeah, for example here, it's disconnect, and now again it's connected, become green. Then now you can use your wireless monitoring from Hollyland Lark Max 2. So guys, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark Max 2, and I'm using the wireless monitoring so I can hear and or monitor the audio on my wireless microphone. So again guys, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark Max 2 to the camera, which is I'm using the Canon R50. Yeah, so I hope one day we will use the R50V if we have a demo unit. But again, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark Max 2 into the Canon R50. So, yan. And guys, again, you have a monitoring earphone, so or headphone or earphone. So, yan. You can hear the quality if you are overexposed or underexposed audio. And again, this microphone have 32-bit float. So if you're recording, if you're not sure for the audio, you can adjust later. Yan. So again guys, this is the sound quality again of the Hollyland Lark Max 2, and let's try to use it in outside. Hello guys, so yeah, I'm testing out this Hollyland Lark Max 2 outdoor. So again, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark Max 2. And again guys, this Hollyland wireless headphone, it's It's amazing because actually you can use this as a talkback. So you can give one of the wireless microphone to your colleague and also one headphone, and you can use this like a talkback. So, and again, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark Max 2. We're using here outdoor. I'm outside the mall, and yeah, you can hear some noises from the cars, buses, and wind. So I hope the sound quality is pretty amazing, especially the noise cancellation. And yeah, and again, so this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark Max 2. The Hollyland Lark Max 2 is now available for pre-order at AAB World. Just visit www.aabworld.com and secure your kit before it runs out. Quick shout out to the awesome Puncube Mech Wallet, the sleekest, most durable everyday wallet I've used. The Lensgo Smoke Go. Want to level up your product or portrait shots? This compact fog machine adds cinematic dramas to your shots. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.